Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge. Service providers Shitun and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we'll learn lists in Python, an introduction. What is a list in Python? How to create a list in Python, an empty list, examples. What is a list in Python? A list is a value that contains multiple values in an ordered sequence. An ordered sequence means a set of values where each value is identified by an integer index. A list begins with an opening square bracket and ends with a closing square bracket. Just as string values are typed with code characters to mark where the string begins and ends. A list begins with an opening square bracket and ends with a closing square bracket. Cat, dog, horse, cow is an example of a list value. Values inside the list are also called items or elements. In a list, items are separated with commas. Lists are one of the built-in data types in Python. The other built-in data types in Python are tuple, set, and dictionary. The list is a value that can be stored in a variable or passed to a function like any other value. The term list value refers to list itself, not the values inside the list value. Lists can contain any set of objects such as strings, numbers, and even other lists. To get a better understanding of the list, let's examine some examples of lists in Python. Example. In this example, a list containing string type values cat, dog, horse, cow is assigned to the variable a. The variable a is assigned only one value, the list value, but the list value itself contains other values. The list is a value that can be stored in a variable or passed to a function like any other value. The following print statement print A will display the list cat, dog, horse, cow. Lists can contain any set of objects such as strings, numbers, and even other lists. In the following statement, a list containing integer type values 1, 2, 3, 4 is assigned to the variable b. The print statement print b will display the list 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next statement, a list containing different data types 3.14 a float type, true a boolean type, Python a string type, 27 an integer type, and none a non-data type is assigned to the variable c. The following print statement print c will display the list 3.14 true, Python 27 none. This example shows that a list may contain values of the same data type or different data types. We can get the data type of an object by using the built-in function type in Python. The last three statements of the example will display the data type of the variable a, b, and c respectively. Here the data type are list. The list data type is represented by the list class in Python. A list is a value that contains multiple values in an ordered sequence. Lists can contain any set of objects such as strings, numbers, and even other lists. List begins with an opening square bracket and ends with a closing square bracket. In a list, items are separated with commas. Values inside the list are also called items or elements. The list is a value that can be stored in a variable or passed to a function like any other value. An empty list. We can even have a list with no items in it, called an empty list, similar to an empty string. Example. In this example, an empty list is assigned to the variable A. The first print statement, print A, will display an empty list. The next print statement, print type A, will display the data type of the variable A, which is a list. Next video is Python list indexing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you.